Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think that we're going up for either an A, B, C, or possibly a 1, 2, 3. It probably is going to be an ABC. It probably will take out this high. I think it's going to be an ABC because this is definitely three waves up. This looks like three waves down. It looks like it's going to make three waves up again, making that WXY pattern. Probably going up to about the 78.6 level, right around the high of wave 4. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think there's a very good likelihood that wave B is actually already over and that this is gonna eventually start gaining some momentum and make that big move to the upside, just like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame while keeping that in mind. On the daily time frame, I think that the ABC is already complete, the ABC of B. I definitely see this five-way pattern up. Very, very messy, very, very overlapping, but I think that's because the Aussie has been so weak. I think this move down is just a correction to this last move up, and I still think that eventually it's just going to keep on trending up, making those higher highs, higher lows to make either a wave C or possibly a wave 3. Whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3 doesn't matter at all right now because either way I would be looking for longs in an uptrend, whether it was a wave C or whether it was a wave 3. So let's take it down even more to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I have this lower high right here because if price breaks that, I am gonna pretty much know that this move down is over and that we are back into an uptrend. So I definitely need to see a clear break of that. Until that happens, we do have to realize that on the 4 hour and under, the trend is still down. But the fact that it went beyond the 78% of this move down tells me there's a very good likelihood that it will break structure, and I think there's a very good likelihood that we are already ended a correction back here and that we are going to go back into the uptrend. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, this is the last swing that we need to see broken to confirm this whole move down is over. It kind of looks a little more like a trend than a correction, but that is because the Aussie has been so weak. And like I said, this definitely went up beyond the 78% of this move down, telling me that it probably will go up and it probably will break structure, proving that this move down is over. And I think it's more likely to make an uptrend. It looks like it should make like an A, B, C, or B next, but I think it's actually more likely, especially looking at correlated dollar pairs, that this is actually just going to continue the uptrend from here. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.